Hi, I'm Crystal. Today I'm opening some Happy Mail from Susan at Susan's Heartstrings. I'm going to link her channel below. She does a lot of really lovely paper crafts with a lot of really sweet images of girls. And I just love her channel, and I hope you will check it out. She sent me a bunch of lace trim, several different varieties of lace trim, and some larger macrame style trim. That is going to be lovely on a junk journal, so I'm looking forward to that. And she has enclosed a card here, and the card is a thank you note. She was a winner of a junk journal giveaway I did a while back, and she's thanking me for that, which is very sweet. And she certainly did not need to send something in return, but this is a punch, and I'm really excited about that. I really love punches so much. I know that they're a little old-fashioned at this point, I guess. They're not as popular as they once were. Most of my punches are from Stampin' Up, and I've noticed that they've dialed way back on the punches. But I've got a ton of them, and I've gotten a ton of them secondhand as people have lightened their load, because these are heavy and bulky to store. And so this feels like a stamp set. So let's open that up and see what it is. I'm just going to slice the tape on the tissue paper there. And indeed, it is the matching stamp set. So exciting. Okay, so this is Jar of Flowers from Stampin' Up and the matching jar punch. So this is great. Let's make something. I can't wait. Okay, so I'm going to take the stamp and stamp out these flowers in jar, and I've used a little metallic watercolor on the jar portion, and I've put a little die cut sentiment at the bottom. But these are they're great stamps. They're so easy to use to match up the flower arrangement with the stems in the jar, and I just think those stamps are delightful. I really enjoyed making those. And then I did a quick shaker tag with the punch. So the delightful thing about a punch, of course, is it makes the same shape, so this is completely see-through. And I just thought that was a lot of fun, and I really appreciate Susan sending this delightful package. So thanks. And thanks for joining me today.